Welcome to Sharadvi More English School online lecture. Good evening, student. In morning, we have solved the first four questions of practice set 2.2. Now see the question number 5 and 6. In question number 5 and 6, you have to bring it the given quadratic equation into the standard form. Then you have to factorize it. So here one more step is there to bring the given equation in the standard form, and other things are same. जो और चीज़ें जो है क्या है सेम है, ओनली क्या करना है आपको इसको स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लाना है. तो लेट्स सी द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. द क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इज 2x² माइनस 2x प्लस 1/2 इज इक्वल्स टू 0. दिस इज द क्वेश्चन. 2x² minus 2x plus 1/2 is equals to 0. This is the question. Now here in denominator there is 2. So we have to remove this 2. इस 2 को क्या करना है, रिमूव करना है. इस 2 को क्या करना है, रिमूव करना है. तो then we will multiply both side of equation by the 2. Okay, now write down the equations once again. 2x² 2x plus 1/2 is equals to 0. multiplying both sides by 2. क्या करना है हम लोगों को, दोनों साइड को 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. ओके, मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ साइड by 2. So therefore now the original first term is 2x² multiplied by 2. Next one is 2x and minus sign is between these two terms into 2 plus 1/2 into 2 is equals to 0 into 2. So now see 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, it becomes the 4x square minus 2 to the 4, 4x and 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So now 2 get cancelled. So here we got the 1 and 0 into 2 is equals to 0. So now this equation came into the standard form. Now we have to find out factors. Now which numbers factor we have to find out? The coefficient of the square term. So here it is 4 and constant term. Constant term is 1. So 4 1 ja 4. 4 1 ja 4. Now we have to write down the factors of the 4. So first factor is 4 1 ja 4 is equals to 4. And second factor is 2 2 ja 4. 2 2 ja 4. Now what is the middle term here? Middle term is minus 4. Now we know that when the number is positive, then we have to add the factors. जब ये नंबर क्या होगा पॉजिटिव, तो हमको फैक्टर क्या करना रहेगा, ऐड करना रहेगा, and that should equals to the middle term. So when you take the factor 4 and 1, you will get the 5. When you add the 4 and 1, you will get the 5 instead of the 4. 4 की जगह क्या मिलेगा आपको, 5 मिलेगा. But when you add the 2 and 2, you will get the 4. So this factor equals to the middle term. ये जो second factor है, this equals to middle term. So this is the appropriate factor for this quadratic equation, and this is not appropriate here because the 4 is the middle term. Okay, now write down here 2 2. Now middle term is negative. Middle term is negative. So now write minus 2 minus 2. So now minus 2 minus 2 will become minus 4. Now the first term will be written same 4x square and constant term will be written same, and the middle term will be replaced by the factors. So what are the factors here? 2x minus 2x. Now trinomial converted into the 4 terms. So here we will take the common. Now see, in the first two terms and last two terms, in first two terms the 2 and x both are common. So here 2x is common, so what will left? 2 will left here and x will also left, and here minus 2x came as a common, so here minus 1 will remain because 2 1 are 2. So whenever the same numbers comes out as a common, then the number which left behind is always 1. तो जो पीछे नंबर छूटता है वो क्या रहता है? 1 रहता है, because yes, when we multiply any number by 1 we get the same thing. Now see here 2x and 1, so here we can write down the 1 2 the 2 and constant term is 1, so here 1 is common. जब हम लोगों को कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं मिलता तो ऑलवेज वन इज कॉमन हियर. तो नाउ टेक द माइनस वन एज कॉमन, तो व्हाट यू विल गेट द 2 and minus sign and 1 is equals to 0. Now see the bracket 2x minus 1 now is common, so write down that common first and then the remaining numbers. 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Now observe carefully, the both brackets have the same numbers, same terms. 2x minus 1 is equals to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore 2x is equals to, here it is minus 1. Now when you bring it on the right hand side, so this will become plus 1. Similarly, in next one 2x minus 1, so 2x will remain on the left hand side and 1 will become positive when we bring on the right hand side. So therefore x is equals to 1 upon 2 and x is equals to 1 upon 2. So here the root is same. क्या दिख रहा है आपको? यहाँ पे रूट सेम है, x की वैल्यू क्या मिल रही है? 1 upon 2. Here also you are getting the same things, 1 upon 2. तो here the roots are equal. दोनों में क्या है? इस quadratic equation का जो roots है दोनों, both roots are equal. Now write down the answer. 1 upon 2 is root of given quadratic equation. 1 upon 2 is the root of given quadratic equation. It's clear now? Now see here the question number 4. Here the root is 5 and here root is minus 3 upon 5. So these two roots are different. In question number 3 also the root is minus 1 upon 2 and minus 30. तो here the roots are not equal. यहाँ equal नहीं है, दोनों number different है. यहाँ दोनों roots क्या है? Different है. Here also the roots are different. In second question में भी हमने same देखा क्या roots are not equal. Okay, in first x is equals to 9 and x is equals to 6, so here roots are different. But here in question number 5 the roots are same. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is 6x minus 2 upon x is equals to 1. Now this equation not in the form of the quadratic equation because the highest power is 1 here. But when you multiply the all terms of this equation, then it will get converted into the quadratic equation. 6x minus 2 upon x is equals to 1. Now we have to bring it into the standard form. So to remove the x from the denominator, we have to multiply all the terms by the x on both sides. Now see its solution. 6x minus 2 upon x is equals to 1. Multiplying both sides by multiplying both sides by x. दोनों को किससे मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं हम लोग? x से, because we want to remove the x from the denominator. So therefore 6x into x minus 2 upon x into x and 1 into x. Now see here x into 6x, so 6x square and this x 1 ja x, x 1 ja x. Now x get cancelled, so 2 1 ja 2. And here x into 1 is equals to x. Now arrange the terms. 6x square. Now bring this x from the right hand side to left hand side, so this will become minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Now we have to find out the factor. Now See the coefficient of the x square. So coefficient of the 6x square is equals to 6. What is the coefficient of the x square? 6. And what is the constant term? Minus 2. So 6 2s are 12. So it is minus 12. Now see the number whose factor we are going to find is minus 12. So here one factor will be positive and one will be negative. So we take the difference of that two factors that matches with the middle term and here it is minus 1. यहाँ पे क्या है वो difference कितना होना चाहिए 1 का. Now see the factor of the 12. One factor is 6 and 2. Second factor of the 12 is 3 and 4. 3 4 are 12, 6 2 are 12, and 1 12 are 12. Here 12 1 are 12. So now there are the three factor of the 12. Now we have to find out the appropriate factor. Now here it is the negative. यहाँ पे क्या दिख रहा है आपको? Negative दिख रहा है. Whose factor we are finding here? So the difference will be seen. So now see the difference between the 6 and 2 is 4, but middle term is 1. So this is not appropriate factor for this. Now see the second factor 3 and 4. The difference between 3 and 4 is 1. So this is the appropriate factor for this quadratic equation. Now we will write this 12 in the form of the 3 and 4. Now see the middle term is negative, so greater number will have the negative sign and smaller number will have the positive sign. Now we will write the first term as it is and last term as it is, and at place of the middle term we will write its factor plus 3x minus 4x. Now take the common. So what is the common between the 6 and 3x? 3 2 is 6. That's why 3 will also come as common and x will also come as common. So 3x is common in between these two. So 3 2 is 6. So 2x plus now 3x is taken outside. So here 1 will left because 3 1 is 3. Now see in between the 4x and 2, the smaller number is 2 and in the table of the 2 4 comes in the table of the 2. So that's why the 2 will be the common in between these two terms. So here 2 is common. So what will left? 2 2s are 4, 2x will left, and here 1 will left because 2 1 are 2. 2 can be written as 2 1 are 2. So now here minus 2 1 is taken as common, so plus 1 will left in the bracket. So this is equals to 0. Now take the common 2x plus 1 bracket first and write down the remaining numbers in the second bracket, and here it is 3x minus 2. This is equals to 0. इसकी वैल्यू क्या है? 0 है. So therefore 2x plus 1 is equals to 0 or 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. दोनों की वैल्यू क्या है? 0 है. दोनों की वैल्यू क्या है? 0. So therefore 2x plus 1 is equals to 0. So therefore 2x is equals to minus 1. Now we have brought the plus 1 on the left hand side. So this right hand side this will become minus 1. So therefore x is equals to minus 1 upon 2. Or second bracket is 3x minus 2. 3x minus 2 is equals to 0. So therefore 3x is equals to 2 now. So x is equals to 2 upon 3. Now see the roots. तो ये रूट्स आर नॉट इक्वल. यहाँ पे रूट सेम नहीं है, डिफरेंट है. दोनों रूट्स क्या है? डिफरेंट, अलग अलग है ना. यहाँ पे क्या है? माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 एंड हियर इट इज 2 अपॉन 3. इट्स क्लियर नाउ. नाउ राइट डाउन द आंसर. minus 1 upon 2 and 2 upon 3 is root of given quadratic equation. फुल स्टॉप. क्लियर हो गया स्टूडेंट? ठीक है. ऐसे हम लोगों को क्या करना है? इसका सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है. सॉल्यूशन फाइंड आउट करना है मतलब उसका रूट्स है. Here we are saying the roots because the highest power is 2 and variable is 1. Variable 1 है, highest power 2 है, so that's why it is called as root. otherwise it can be called as the solution. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? solution. Okay, now see the question number 7. The question number 7 is activity. ये क्या है? Activity है. So you have to solve this activity. What is given? Under root 2 x square plus under root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equals to 0. Solve this quadratic equation by factorization and complete the following activity. Now see the solution. Its solution. Now here you have to fill the numbers in the boxes. यहाँ boxes में number fill करना है आपको. So now in the rough you can solve and you have to just fill the box. आपको क्या करना है? Just fill करना है box को. Okay. Now see the solution.
मेरे को लगता है भाई अभी ये हो जाएगा, सुन जाएगा.
Under root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 under root 2 is equals to 0. Now here I am doing the solution, and wherever there is box I will put the box. Now see, first we have to understand which numbers factor we have to find out. So first we have to see the square term. The square term have the coefficient under root 2, and then we have to see the constant term. So here constant term is 5 under root 2, and you know that when the under root 2 is multiplied, you will get the 2. So that's why 5 into 2. Now this under root 2 become the 2. So this corresponds to 10. Now we have to find out the factor of the 10 such that so that the middle term become the 7. Now factor of the 10. So first factor is 1 and 10. 1 10 ja 10 or 10 1 ja 10.